Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So there are a lot of questions coming in about the listing of the Monad airdrop and on which exchanges Monad will be listed. In this video, I'll talk about all these things. So let's get started. If you check their recent tweet on October 8, they shared an update saying that the airdrop claim is 98% loading. Then on October 9, they shared another update saying Monad airdrop claim portal opens on Tuesday, October 14. After that, another link from Monad appeared where we can access their portal, but right now we can't do anything on this portal. You just have to click on I am early. After that, a message appears saying you were not supposed to find this. Below that, there's also a timer showing that in 1 day and 9 hours, the Monad airdrop claiming portal will go live. This means that we'll soon be able to claim our Monad airdrop there. But just because the claiming portal is opening doesn't mean Monad will list on the 14th. Yes, many people think Monad will be listed on October 14, but that's not true. There is no update confirming Monad's listing on the 14th. Only the claiming portal will open that day. Also, if you are in our Telegram channel, then you probably already know that recently the crypto market went through one of the biggest crashes. Because of this, the market has slowed down a lot. And from my experience, probably right now we won't see any major listings in the next few days. Now let's talk about the exchanges where Monad will likely be listed. Recently, they also shared a post on X mentioning all the exchanges that will list Monad. As you can see, they are coming on all the big exchanges such as Binance, Bitget, Bybit, KuCoin, OKX, Coinbase and more, so that's great news for us. Also, they are already in pre-market, so if you want, you can buy and sell right now. Another big news is that Binance announced that Monad will be listed on their futures pre-market, and soon after, Monad actually went live there. So if you want, you can trade Monad in the pre-market right now. So that's all for the recent update of the Monad airdrop. If you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing a lot of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it now. If you're new to this channel, then please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.